Dear colleagues, welcome to our regulatory update for the Russian pharmaceutical sector. My name is Maria Barzova, and I will be helping you follow the most important developments as of September 2017. In this video, we will discuss the following issues: online sales of medicines, draft federal law, long-term supply arrangements, regional pilots, and drug advertising, recent challenges. Let's start with the online sales of medicines. On the 18th of September, the Government Legislative Commission preliminarily approved the draft law allowing the online sales of medicines. Today, the online sale of medicines is prohibited. However, the necessity to authorize selling medical products online has been under discussion for some time. The draft law on amendments to certain legislative acts of the Russian Federation relating to the online retail sales of medicines was prepared by the Ministry of Health following a number of expert discussions. The draft law proposes authorizing online sales for OTC medicines. However, the draft law prohibits online sales for prescription medicines. The draft law also proposes amending certain basic definitions in existing laws and regulations, as well as adjusting the powers that can be exercised by the executive authorities to fit into the system for selling medical products online. Debate on this initiative will continue. The opinion of the market experts on the current version of the draft law differ. In particular, many experts are concerned about the way medical products will be delivered to the patient. Certain experts also believe that the online sales of prescription medicines may be effectively structured from legal and technical standpoints. Therefore, we recommend monitoring further developments. Meanwhile, let's move on to the next issue. On the 23rd of September, the Moscow Health Department published the results of a bid for the right to sign a contract for long-term supply of medical products. In exchange for this long-term procurement arrangement, the winner must invest into setting up the production facilities in Moscow. Two companies participated in the bidding competition. One of the bidders was chosen as the winner. During the period from June of 2021 to December of 2027, the winning investor must supply 22 INNs of medicines in different dosage forms and different batch volumes. In relation to these 22 INNs, the winner must reach the stage of secondary packaging and quality control operations inside the Moscow territory no later than 36 months after the government contract has been signed, approximately autumn of 2020. In addition, no later than 48 months after the government contract has been signed, approximately autumn of 2021, the investor must launch the production of finished dosage forms for the 22 INNs, while 2 among them must be completely produced in Moscow. This could be a pilot project for a long-term supply arrangement based on regional investment contract. Therefore, we recommend that the market players, considering various localization scenarios, analyze this experience in more detail. And now let's look at the last issue. On the 25th of September, the Federal Anti-Monopoly Service held an expert review council on the hot-button issues related to drug advertising. The expert community discussed the positions taken by the professional associations, the courts, and the Anti-Monopoly Service itself concerning the usage of the word fast in drug advertising. The Federal Anti-Monopoly Service generally believes that using the word fast in drug advertising may amount to guaranteeing the medical product's positive effects, which contradicts to advertising law. The industry in many cases disagrees and is trying to prove that using the word fast in certain cases might be reasonable. However, debate on this topic is not over. We believe that currently the joint endeavors on the part of the pharmaceutical industry and the FAS are necessary to elaborate the transparent rules for fair play. Meanwhile, we recommend carefully analyzing the existing practices. And this is all for today. Our next update will come in November. Please keep yourselves informed.